new world, thermal camera systems have become popular in our efforts to control the spread of disease. The TV MultiBio is a biometric door access control system. It not only offers standard biometric door access control, but it also measures the person's temperature and if they're wearing a protective mask. The reader will prevent people with elevated temperature or no mask from entering a secure area. The MultiBio reader uses both face recognition and/or palm recognition to control access. The panel includes a very nice user interface for configuration and control of the panel. To learn more about the TV MultiBio and all the other access control products from Kintronics, please contact us at 914-944-3425 or visit us at our website, kintronics.com.